Hello, it's Monica and I hope you have absolutely fabulous day. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create very quick and beautiful card using a new collection called Felicidad. This one is designed by Paula Machado and it is part of Thoughtful Collective. Now I'm going to show you what the collection contains. It has lots of beautiful design papers, background papers, elements to fussy cut and also some sentiments in Spanish. If you are interested in this collection, I left the link in the description down below so you can check it out. I absolutely love all those purples, lavender colors, greens and very warm yellows. It is beautiful and I couldn't resist, so I wanted to share with you one of the cards I created really quickly, but also at the end of the video I'll have 3 other projects I created, so stay tuned for that. If you like this color palette, please let me know, because I think it's gorgeous and I've never ever seen a collection with these 3 colors. So if you like it, I really hope you will feel inspired to create something beautiful with me. For my very first card, I decided to use those 4 design papers, and I'm going to use abstract frame cutting die from Crafter's Companion, and I'm going to die cut the yellow background. And whenever you use bigger cutting dies, I really encourage you to use low tack tape whenever you put your dies through your die cutting machine, because this way they won't move. I'm going to die cut the very pale lavender with the smaller circle and then the smallest with green. And before I assemble all the elements, I decided to use some distress oxide ink, and with that beautiful lavender I'm going to use Wilted violet, and with the smaller circle I'm going to use Evergreen Bough Distress Oxide ink. And all the names of the products I use in today's video are in the description down below, so you can check them out, even for the projects I'm going to show you later on. If you think you've got too much Distress Oxide ink on the edge, you can always use a tissue, and this way it won't be that vivid. Now we have to clean our surface, and I decided to stamp my sentiment. And this one comes from Rare Earth, and it was part of one of the magazines couple of months ago. I absolutely love that sentiment, and actually I decided to use for all my 4 projects for today's video. I'm going to use waterproof ink because it always gives me that clear image. Now, to add a little bit more interest, I decided to use gold ribbon. As you can see, it is 3mm, and I'm going to use double-sided tape on the back. And I think this is the easiest way to adhere ribbon to your projects. If you have a better option, please let me know, because I really want to know. Now I've got 6 by 6 inches cut base, and it is time to assemble the whole card together. First, I need to peel off the backing of my double-sided tape using a pokey tool, and using my one and only liquid glue, magic glue, I'm going to make sure I do have time to maneuver my elements if I make a mistake. And again, I'm using my one and only liquid glue to assemble that beautiful frame on the front of the card, and I think this color combo, it is perfect for literally any occasion. However, in today's video I decided to use all my projects for birthdays. To make sure that my sentiment and my focal elements stand out really nicely, I decided to use 2 layers of double-sided foam adhesive. And just to make sure it doesn't dry in a long time, I'm going to put a few drops of liquid glue. And with the circle where I've got the sentiment, I only have 1 layer of double-sided tape, but still it really stands out nicely. Even if you don't really see it in the video, in real life it really makes a difference. Now it is time to add a few more embellishments, and I decided to use some gold gems because they match my ribbon really beautifully, and I couldn't resist. I really had to add that beautiful lavender pot. It is amazing. The whole color combo, it's so beautiful. And our first card is finished. Please let me know, what do you think about this color palette? Would you like to give it a go? I really hope you will, because it's simply stunning and you make really quick cards. Now I'm going to show you all my other projects. For this one, As you can see, I fussy cut that beautiful bicycle. I created a cut base with one of the cutting dies from Crafter's Companion, also the frame, and literally I use all the background papers from Felicidad collection. And as I said before, all the names of the products I use in today's video are in the description down below, so if you're interested, yes, you can check them out. For my second project, I had to create a dress. I literally couldn't resist, because that beautiful pale lavender color just screamed to me, make me a dress. I fussy cut 5 of the smallest flowers and I made them 3D and put some gold gems in the middle. And this one is Be Fabulous cutting die set from Crafter's Companion. I haven't made dresses in a very long time, so that was a really nice way to go back to my stash. And for my very last card, I decided to use another cutting die from Crafter's Companion, and I created the sentiment, and again I put some double-sided foam adhesive to make sure that it stands out. I added that bicycle, and that card is complete. And please let me know, what do you think about that Felicidad collection? If you like it, I really hope you feel inspired to create something beautiful. And now you can see all 4 projects side by side, and please let me know which one is your favorite, which one would you like to give it a go, or which one you maybe don't like. Please share that in the comments. Thank you so much for watching and staying with me, and don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit the notification bell because I do have new videos on Mondays and Thursdays. Have a wonderful day and happy crafting. See you in my next video. Bye!